Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 16 of this luxury apartment. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all the materials and we fixed all of this. We added mullions and grid lines on this curtain grids. So now, what I noticed is I forgot to change the materials for this um, door right here. So we need to edit, duplicate, second door, and the materials for the glass should be glass cast gray. So now we just need to select all of this and make sure it's number 2. And then as you can see, everything is fixed once we're in there. Also on this part, we need to go to level 1, edit, boundary, and we just need to add the 1300 fillet arc. There we go. Select that and then put 1300 to be consistent with everything else. And we're gonna stay here on level 1 because we want to add everything else. I would like to add a street here. There's gonna be street here as well. We can put a car. Parking lot will be at the back, and then here we have the drop off and some parking space right here as well. So that's what we're gonna do. So most of the time we're gonna use floor. So we need to go to architecture, click on floor, and then what we're gonna do is we need to edit and then duplicate this again. This will be another concrete material. This will be the one for the base. So here concrete, and we could just pull one of this, just random that we haven't used yet. And then we need to offset this to -200 because we want it going down. This will be the street as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it some space because I want to add more to the background as well to make it really good. Click on finish, and as you can see, it's below right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this one as a floor to have our curve area here. This one we're probably going to extend this because we have some roads right here. Our view will be going right here for the final image, so we need everything to be like there's gonna be a street here, and then we have a street right here as well. So we're going to basically visualize the point of view of a person right here. So we need to make everything nice, background nice as well. Even the curve right here, we need to do something about that. So now let's go back to level 1 again, edit, or we could just CS because we need to add this same floor number. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put something like that so that this will be hollow, and this is just the only thing that we need to do. Of course there's gonna be an opening and then doors. If we go to site, I believe this will be a nicer view. It's a site anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're going to add something right here. We're going to add some some bushes right here so that it looks nice, and then some street um, sidewalk right here on this part as well. And then, like I said, this will be an opening right here that we could do. um, I'm going to add right here, we have our opening SL on this, and then TR, trim and extend. And then I'm going to add, so this one should be 0. So that's why it highlighted, because it's going over. But this is just the boundary of the building, so don't worry about that yet. I want to add, so I'm going to insert load family, some entourage. So the Beetle car is just for my visual CM to add how big would um, my spacing will look. Something like this, and then a car right here. So this one looks perfect. I just want to extend this part, something like this. And then parking will be double, because we need to have a parking for this part, and then another maybe 2 more parking back to back right here. Something like that. This is just for spacing, so don't worry about it. Edit. I'm gonna edit now. Something like that. Spacing to go here, spacing to go there. I think I'm just gonna estimate the ones right here. Just a two-way, that, or this will be just a one-way going around, but not bad. I think this is good enough for my visual. And then I'm gonna make some of them hollow, because I want to add some grass onto this area. I want to have grass on this area. But we need to know, so I'm going to just move this one like that. Maybe I'm gonna add grass at the back as well, so that it looks nicer. And why not here? So now I'm going to fillet this, something like that. So I want to make it around 5,000. And then right here as well, 5,000 there, 5,000 right here. And then 5,000 there. And then obviously we need to add a curve right here, maybe 4,000. Let's do 3,000 probably here. So now let's add more. So 4,000 right here. You know what? Let's do 3,000 onto this part so that it's consistent on all of sides. There we go. I think that looks good enough. And then what we could do is we could make it hollow. I'm gonna make hollow on this part and this part. I'm gonna copy this and pull it back like that. I'm gonna align it here. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then something right here and right here. I think that's good enough. So it's gonna be hollow now on those parts. And then we just need to add another floor. So click on floor and then grass. Edit, duplicate, number 6. This will be grass. Invalid because we don't have it yet. So we need to type in grass and then pull it up. Apply, okay, okay, okay. Make sure this is 0 and then just add those. There we go. And then once we add grass on this, it will look nice. And then we're going to also add what do you call this? We're going to also add trees as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to edit this part right here because we could just add something right here as well. 5,000. You know what? I'm gonna increase this and then edit the grass part as well. There we go. Now this is like a corner, and then we could just extend this for the background. We could extend all the way right there for background sake as well. We could add in the side streets now. Why not make this the side streets as well? So I just need to make it larger. That's how we do it right here anyway. There's a side road right there, and then we could just duplicate this, make it 7, so that we can change the materials if we need to, just in case, because we use this for the surrounding of the building. So once there's plants there, it will look nice. You could delete all the cars. Select that, right click, select same in the video in the view, and then delete, just delete it. And then now we just need to insert, go to site, go back to the main, and then we have site here, accessories. We have bike stand, planter, bollard if you want to, and then parking. We have all of this that we could add, even arrows. So why not open that CM, and then we could put the arrow going right here, and then the other side right there. Insert again, use this CM, and then flip it to the other side. I think this one, if you flip RO, there we go. And then we could just add this signs right here to make everything look nice. You can even rotate this. There we go. Let's go to insert again. Load family, we have some parking stuff right here. ADA, payment stripe, which is important. I find this really good. Once we're in Twinmotion, this one really stands out. Let's make it 5,000. And this one is just too much, 4,500. Then I'm just gonna copy this, and I'm gonna bring in the one for the ADA. And I can give him more space. And then load family again. You have the sign CM. Add those signs right here near the entrance. And we're good. We just need to add more on this side. And then copy. Then we can just copy it from one of this. And then copy all of them so that it's easier for us to just add right here. And then here, let's load maybe the island. CM. And I'm going to increase this size. Edit, probably will put 55,000. And then we could just copy what we have below, and then we could pull this one up as well. And give more spacing. We could edit this a bit. And then edit the grass. And then just simply connect it to the wall. And then space it out much better. Just eyeballing this, but I think this is good enough for a lot of spacing there. I'm gonna edit pavement stripes. I think that's good enough. I have more than, and then copy this. Then copy this as well. Similar to what we have. And then CS on this. And then let's just add something like this right here. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.